Hi everybody, welcome to another episode right here of the Andropic Army Hunt Season 2, right here in the Mumbai edition. Now we are here in one of the most premium gym chains in Borivali West. We are here at Fitness Factory. Now let me tell you one thing, we've got two energetic teams who are ready to battle it out. Not just in today's match, but to battle it out so that they come so good so they compete in the grand finale. But right here at Fitness Factory, I'm joined here by Irshad, who is the manager, and by looking at him, you know that he's also going to be competing in the Andropic Army Hunt. Irshad, thank you very much for having us right here in your gym. It means a lot to me, and a very big thank you, Irshad.
Thank you so much, sir. Hey guys, I'm Irshad. I'm the Fitness Factory manager over here. We have a best gym in Borivali. We have 3 floors, 24/7, sir. आप कभी भी आइए यहाँ वर्कआउट करिए. 24 घंटे हमारे जिम चालू है. We have a best experienced and well certified trainer, and we have 3 floors.
Wow, so you got everything here, but the best thing is you are here open here 24/7. और यानी कि यार मुंबई का एक चीज़ पता है कि टाइमिंग नहीं रहता वर्कआउट करने का, बट फिटनेस एज अ प्रायोरिटी लोग लेके चलते हैं. सो लेट्स सी हाउ गुड दिस एपिसोड टर्न्स आउट टू बी. All the very best to all the trainers. Let's go ahead and start the event and meet the teams.
This initiative is taken by Andropic.
We're competing in the Andropic Army Hunt Season 2. The first team that we have is Team Muscle Bound. Irshad. In this team we have Santosh, Afan and Akshay. And they're going to be competing against Gym Gang. We have Siddesh, Dev, Suraj and Sujal. Okay, now that you've met the teams and you know the game, it's time to introduce to you the two captains. Can we have Irshad to join us from Muscle Bound and Siddesh from Gym Gang? Please join me, guys. Warm welcome to Andropic Army Hunt. This is episode 6. Irshad, शुरू करने से पहले आपका और आपका टीम का क्या स्ट्रैटेजी है आज के गेम के लिए?
If you have a great leadership, you always win.
If you have great leadership, you always win. Wow, that's very nice. And Siddesh, आपका क्या take है? What is your take into it? No, we are continuing. We're rolling, man. Come on. What is your take? He's smart. ये कहना चाहता है कि हम लोगों ने स्ट्रैटेजी बना के रखा है. आपको क्यों बताए? देखते हैं क्या होता है. So okay, let's get set and let's get started with the first level that we have. The first round that we have, as you all know, is the squat. So let's go ahead and get the squats. Let's start off with squats right now. Right here, the Andropic Army Hunt Season 2, Episode 6. Okay, so as you're going to be starting off with our squat, which is going to be the first round. We got Akshay here to my right, and we got Suraj to my left. Now he weighs 60 kilos and you weigh 65 kilos. लेकिन शुरुआत करने से पहले ये लोग डिस्कस कर रहे थे कि यार कौन जाएगा आगे. They were having a little bit of an argument. I said, okay, hold on guys. We'll do the toss as you all know. So toss के लिए हम लोग यहाँ आने वाले स्टार्ट करेंगे. ये है मेरा coin, heads, tails, heads, tails. Who's going to be calling? Aditya, Suraj, आप कॉल करोगे? Okay. Heads is the call and tails it is. आप जीत गए आप. Do you want to go first or you want your opponent to go first? Opponents, okay. We're going to get the squat rack for 65 kilos and let the war begin right here at the Andropic Army Hunt Season 2, Episode 6. Let's get started, everybody.
In level 1, the participant needs to perform full range squats with the bar loaded equal to his body weight. Now these squats are to be performed within the time frame of 3 minutes. 1 rep will be equal to 1 point.
Okay, so we have Suraj right here from Gym Gang who's all set. His bar is set to his body weight of 65 kilos. Suraj, are you ready? Okay, take your position. I'll give you the count. Okay? You ready? In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Maximum reps in 3 minutes, Suraj. Come on. Let's go. Come on, Suraj. Very nice. 2, 3, 4. Superb. Keep going.
5, 6, 7,
Very nice.
8, 9,
Just keep breathing.
10, 11,
30 seconds over.
12, 13, 14,
Very nice, Suraj. Come on, keep going. Keep breathing and keep going. Focus.
17, 18,
वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड. छोड़ना मत सूरज, डूइंग रियली वेरी गुड. सूरज 1 minute down. 2 minutes remaining. Come on. Very good, Suraj. Very good, very good, very good. You're doing brilliant, Suraj. Brilliant. Very nice. छोड़ना मत, छोड़ना मत, छोड़ना मत, सूरज. You can do it. Come on, keep going. Very nice. Superb, superb. Keep the intensity running. Keep the intensity running. Come on. Come on. There's no stopping, Suraj. There is no stopping. Focus. आप कर सकते हो. 1 minute remaining. Very good, Suraj. Keep it going. Keep it going. Okay. Okay. सूरज 40 reps हो गया. मैं आपको एक बात बोलना चाहूंगा. अभी तक के everyone who's done squats has done 15 squats, 20 squats on racks किया. आपने कंटिन्यू किया. You've got around almost 35 seconds remaining. 35 seconds. Whenever you're ready. Whenever you're ready, Suraj, come on. 30 seconds remaining. Your game still goes on. 40 reps हो गया आपका सूरज. 20 seconds remaining. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Wow. So I want everyone to know, Suraj, 47 reps मारा in 3 minutes. I'll tell you what is the achievement. Okay, achievement यही है. पानी पिलाइए इनको. Achievement ये है कि he has done this only one break. We've seen in every episode trainers, personal trainers, athletes, whoever do squats, break लेके करते. But Suraj did a fabulous set of squats. I think, I'm not saying anything, but I think we're going to get a very good team at the end of the final round. So let's see. Suraj, thank you so very much. Good job, Suraj. In 3 minutes. Okay, so we have Akshay right here who's behind me and is all set. His body weight is 60 kilos. And Akshay, are you ready? आपका strategy क्या Akshay? 60 तो मारेगा, जोश में है, 60 तो मारना है. 47 मारेंगे तो टाइम में आएंगे, 47 के ऊपर जाएंगे तो लीड में. ओके अक्षय, are you set? Get ready. Okay. You're going to be opening the account for Muscle Bound, okay? You ready? Okay, Akshay. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Focus, breathe nice and slow. 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Very good, Akshay. Very good.
16, 17, come on. Proper breathe.
Very good, Akshay.
Breathe proper. Keep going. Yes. Good. 23. Good man. Come on, keep going.
Don't stop. 30 reps. Akshay, 30 reps. 50 seconds हो गया सिर्फ. 50 seconds हो गए. You're doing very good. Same energy में continue करना है. Same energy. Come on. 30 reps हो गया आपका. Come on, let's go. Keep going. Let's keep going.
32, 33.
Come on, sir. Come on. Nice.
35, 36, 37,
1 minute 30 seconds remaining. 40 reps, Akshay. You got आराम से. You got good 1 minute 20 seconds in hand. आराम से लीड में जा सकते हो, आराम से. Are you okay? Are you okay? Whenever you are ready, you can continue. Come on. अभी है. You got around 1 minute remaining. 1 minute remaining. Around approximately. जाएगा. Your team has to be in lead, right? Gym bound has to be in lead. Come on. Sorry, muscle bound has to be in lead. Let's keep going.
Push it through. Come on. 20 चाहिए, 20. Yeah. 42. Come on. 38, 40, come on. 45. Yeah.
Don't stop.
46, 47.
Yes.
Record broken.
50.
Come on.
You got 20 seconds, Akshay. Yes, sir. Come on. 15 seconds remaining. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Akshay, I'll tell you one thing. The highest reps of squats in season 2 so far is by this man right here of 53 reps. Muscle Bound has created history in the second season of Andropic Army and in this episode number 6. Wow, I'm expecting a lot of excitement and enthusiasm, and let's see what happens in the second, third and the fourth round right here at Fitness Factory for the Andropic Army Hunt Season 2 episode number 6. The scores are Muscle Bound has a score of 53 points and Gym Gang has a score of 47 points.
For level 2, both team participants have to go head on with the exercise of plate hold. The plate weight shall be 20 kilos and 1 second will be counted as 1 point at this level. But if the plate is held above or below the shoulder line, participant will be disqualified.
Okay, as you're getting ready for level 2 right here, we have the plate hold. We have Dev here to my left from Gym Gang. And we got Afan here who's already in the lead with his team. Okay, so Afan, आपका टीम लीड में है. आपको मैक्सिमम देर के लिए प्लेट होल्ड करना है. ये सोच के नहीं चलना कि मेरा टीम लीड में है, यू कैन टेक इट लीनियंटली. लेकिन आपके मजबूत कंधों पे रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है, लीड चाहिए. Are you ready? Yes, I'm ready. Okay, take hold of your plates and let's get started. Are you ready? Take hold of your plates. Wait for my count and then we can get started. Are you ready? Yes. Are you ready, Dev? Yes. Afan, ready? Yeah. Okay, in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's begin.
Come on, Dev, come on.
Okay.
Come on, Dev.
No bending your elbows. Hold it straight. Use your core. Use your core. 10 seconds down. छोड़ना नहीं. Don't leave. Don't leave. Dev, very good. Very good. 20 seconds. No leaving. अफन, आपने प्लेट छोटा 11 सेकंड्स. देव, एनी गेसेस कितने देर तक पड़ा होगा? 11 सेकंड को अफन ने छोड़ा. सॉरी, 12 सेकंड्स को आपने प्लेट छोड़ा. 20? क्या लगता है आप लोगों को? 28 और 25 और ओके. द राइट और द नंबर ऑफ पॉइंट्स दैट यू हैव गोइंग फॉर योर टीम इज, मैं पॉइंट बताने का आपको समझ में आएगा कि आप लोग लीड में है या नहीं. यू रेडी? यस. 25 seconds. So we have Gym Gang in the lead right now. You can see the excitement, but hold on, the game still has to continue. We got bench press happening next. Let's go ahead and meet the athletes and also find out what is the total score. Okay, so we're all set for level 3 right here, the Andropic Army Hunt Season 2, Episode 6. But now, before we go ahead and introduce the two players who are going to be a part of it, let me tell you the scores. Now, the scores of Gym Gang is 72 and Muscle Bound is 65. So let's see what happens here in the third round of the Andropic Army Hunt. We've got Irshad here from Muscle Bound, all the very best. And Siddesh is going to be joining us as well from Gym Gang. Abhi aapka team already lead mein hi hai. So आपका बॉडी वेट है 90 किलोज, आपका बॉडी वेट है 80 किलोज. जानना ये है कि which of these two athletes are going to go and compete first. We have a coin, we have a toss. Who's going to be calling? आप कॉल करोगे? So Irshad is going to be calling in, and tails is what he is called for, and tails it is. आपको जाना है या सिद्धेश? Siddesh to go. So Siddesh is going to go first. We're going to get the bench racked up to 90 kilos. Let's see, let the fun begin right at the round 3 of the Andropic Army Hunt Season 2, Episode 6.
Level 3 is bench press. Again, the bar will be loaded equal to the participant's weight. The time duration for this level is 3 minutes. One repetition is equal to 1 point.
Okay, so we have Siddesh from Gym Gang who's all ready to get his team victorious. आपका weight ready है 90 kilos. Maximum reps मारना है 3 मिनट में. स्ट्रैटेजी कुछ है आपके? कुछ स्ट्रैटेजी नहीं, जो होगा देखा जाएगा यार, क्या है? ठीक है, टेक ए पोजीशन. लेट मी नो व्हेन यू आर रेडी सिद्धेश. आर यू रेडी? होल्ड इन 5 4 3 2 1. लेट्स गो. वेरी गुड. Very good, Siddesh. Keep going. Do not stop. Keep going. Okay. Okay. 6 reps. 25 seconds over. Come on. 7. 8. Very good. 9. 50 seconds. 9. Are you okay, Siddesh? Heavy jar आपके लिए? Okay, very good. You got 1 minute over. 1 minute over. Okay. 2 मिनट बाकी है. आराम से. Just keep breathing. आराम से. 3 मार के ब्रेक लीजिए चाहिए तो. Go very slow. Don't injure yourself. Go nice and slow. ठीक है? Come on, Siddesh. Hey, 11. Come on, Siddesh, you can do it. 11, come on. No. 11, come on. No, not done. You got 2 minutes more. No, Siddesh, no giving up. Sorry, 1 minute remaining. Siddesh, give up मत करो. 1 minute है. 1 रैप भी किया तो मतलब बड़ी बात है. Okay? You got 1 minute. आराम से. कुछ चाहिए आपको? Come on, Siddesh, come on. 45 seconds remaining आपके लिए. Ah. 11. No. I don't think he'll be able to go ahead. Are you going to go ahead, Siddesh? No. So Siddesh has decided not to go ahead with 11 reps. That's okay. He gave it his best. 11 reps is what he's done. Let's see if his opponent, Irshad, can do way better. He's got 80 kilos he's going to have on the bar. And let's see if Irshad can actually create a lead for the team right here. This is the third round of the Andropic Army Hunt Season 2, Episode 6. Okay, Irshad, start करने से पहले. Okay, अगर आप 18 मारते हो, 18 reps मारते हो, आप टाइम में आएंगे with your opponent team. लीड के लिए आपको 19 के ऊपर चाहिए. Are you ready? Okay, take a position. Ready? In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's begin. Chal. Very good. 6. Very nice. Very good, Irshad. Keep going. Very good. Keep going. Keep going. Lead. Very nice. 30 seconds में आपने अपने टीम को लीड में लेके आया. Very good. You got a lot of time with you. छोड़ना नहीं अभी. You got good enough time. Continue. Come on, Irshad. You're doing really well. 26. 1 minute over, 2 minutes remaining. 1 minute rest ले लो. Very good. You got enough time. You got enough time with you. Come on, Irshad, you got around 30 seconds. 1 minute, 30 seconds remaining. 31. Very good. Very good. Very good. Very good, Irshad. 1 minute, 15 seconds remaining. आराम से. Irshad, you got 1 minute remaining. 1 minute. $34. Very good. 35. Very good. Very good. You got enough time. You got enough time, Irshad. 30 seconds remaining. 30 seconds remaining, Irshad. 35 reps हो गया. 20 seconds remaining.
90 लगाओ 90.
Come on, 15 seconds remaining, Irshad. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 39 reps at the end of 3 minutes. That was incredible. 39 reps. Now we have their team of Muscle Bound in the lead. It's going to be really interesting to see what happens in the final round of the deadlift. Okay, now we're here to the final round of the Andrew Picamian Season 2. That's going to be the deadlift, as we always say, the game changer. Now, Muscle Bound has a score of 104 and Gym Gang has a score of 83. But still, the game is not over unless we have the game changer. So can I have Sujal to please join me and Santosh, who will be representing the teams for the deadlift. Now, the body weight is 75 kilos, so we'll set the bar according to 112 kilos and let's have the game to get started. But now, before that, we need to have the toss. Santosh, Sujal, who's going to be calling? Okay, let's Santosh call. Santosh, heads, tails, okay? Wait. Heads is the call and tails it is. आप जीत गए. आप जानना चाहते हो or you want Santosh to go ahead? Okay, Santosh, you're going to be going ahead and आपका team lead में है Santosh, but we need the best out of you. All the very best. Let's see which team turns out victorious at the end of this particular round. This is Andrew Picamian Season 2. Let's see which team is ready to join in the Legion of the Fittest.
Now, the final round is here. The mighty deadlift. Here the bar will be loaded equal to 1.5 body weight of the participants. Here one repetition will acquire the team 5 points.
Santosh, ready ho? क्या टारगेट है, कितना मारने वाली, जस्ट एक अंदाज जो आपके दिमाग में? 50 रेप्स तो मारने वाली, ठीक है, ओके, ऑल द वेरी बेस्ट। ओके संतोष, टेक योर ग्रिप, बी रेडी। Are you ready, Santosh? Are you ready? Okay, in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, let's go. Very good, very good. Santosh, 30 seconds over. Fifteen reps is what Santosh is trying for right now. 15 reps. Very good, Santosh. 15 reps. And 55 seconds are over. Keep going, Santosh. Keep going. Keep going. 1 minute over. 1 minute over. 16 reps. 16 reps done. आपका 17 reps हो गया. आपको कुछ चाहिए? He needs his belt. He needs his belt. Can we get him his belt, please? We are wasting time, guys. We are wasting time. Ready, Santosh? Continue. Let's continue. Very good, very good. Keep going, Santosh. You're doing really very good. Keep breathing and keep lifting. Come on. 24 reps. Santosh, you have around 20 seconds remaining. 25 reps हो गया. 15 सेकंड है. 10 seconds remaining. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 28 reps, Santosh. Really very good. Very good. 28 reps in 3 minutes, Santosh. 28 reps in 3 minutes. Let's see if his opponent team of Gym Gang can actually get to be victorious right here. This is going to be really intense. This is the final round of the Adropic Army on season 2. Let's see hota hai kya. Okay, so we're here. We got Sujal right here. Sujal, your weight is set. All the very best. सिंपल स्कोर क्या है वो जानने की जरूरत नहीं, आपको सिर्फ ये जानना है कि अगर आपको इस राउंड जीतना है, अगर आपको टीम को जिताना है, आपको 33 रेप्स मारने हैं. लेकिन आपको ये सोच के चलना है कि आपको सिर्फ ये गेम जीतना नहीं है, आपको ओवरऑल कंपटीशन जीतना है, वे कैन कम्पीट इन द ग्रैंड फिनाले. 33, फोकस ऑन मिनिमम 33 रेप्स. आर यू ऑल सेट, सुजल? टेक योर पोजीशन buddy. टेक योर पोजीशन, सुजल. Are you ready, Sujal? Are you ready? Okay, in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, let's go. 17.
Come on, super bro.
25. आपका 25 reps holding really very well. 50 seconds हो गया. 25 reps. Fabulously well, Sujal. Breathe, breathe, breathe. Thirty, very good, very good. One more to win. One more to win. Sujal, one more to win. आए 1 minute 15 seconds remaining. Sujal, you're doing really well. आप जीत गए. But we have to continue. Scoreboard फाड़ना है. सही है. 1 minute remaining. Twenty seconds और 20 seconds और 38 reps हो गया. आप लोग जीत गए. Anyways, you got 15 seconds remaining. 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We just don't have a winner. He's done 40 reps in a time span of 3 minutes. Wow, this is what we look when we shoot every episode of the Andropic Army Hunt. Let's go ahead, let them enjoy themselves, and we'll see you all at the presentation. Okay, a warm welcome to the presentation right here at the Andropic Army Hunt Season 2 Episode 6. And we're right here at a Fitness Factory in Borivali. We saw what an interesting competition right till the very end. बाद ये कि from the first to the second episode पता नहीं who was going to win, and then again कभी-कभार पता चलता है कि first episode के बाद या first round के बाद पता चलता है कि which team could actually be successful, which team will be winners. But this was a fight till the very end right here of both the teams at Fitness Factory. But at the end we have only one team that's the winner. So but before we have the teams, let's have the scoreboard that you can see right here. We've got Muscle Bound, who's got a score of 244 on the scoreboard. And the winning team that we see, the winning team of Gym Gang, has a score of 283, who's got around 39 points more. Oh, well deserved. But now, since we're at the presentation, one team has to go and take hold of this trophy. But now can we have the runners-up joining me on right here? So can we have Santosh from Muscle Bound? Come on. Santosh, can we have Santosh up? Santosh, can we have Afan? Come on, Afan. Can we have Irshad, the captain? Santosh, can we have you back? And can we have Akshay? And can I have the medals for all our runners-up? Come on. Irshad, congratulations, man. Thank you so much. Can I have the medals, please? We won't let you guys go empty-handed. Thank you. And Afan, congratulations, man. Afan, come on. Congratulations. And we've got small goodie bags for all 4 of you. Akshay, Afan, Irshad, and Santosh. Congratulations, gentlemen. You were really exceptionally well to the very end. Let's have a nice photograph with the team. Okay, and now it's time to call on the winners. Thank you, gentlemen. We're all champions, all winners. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, Afan. Okay, so now it's time to call on the winners of Andrew Pick Army Hunt Season 2, Episode 6. Can we have the winners of Gym Gang to join me right here? Aja, come on. Gym Gang, can we have Sudesh, Suraj, Dev, and Sujal, who performed exceptionally well? Can we also give you guys your medals, your gold medals? Congratulations, guys. You guys really performed exceptionally well. Ajo. And now it's time to give you something that you've all been waiting for. Your trophy, your winning trophy. And you know, guys, as promised, the winning team gets a cash prize of 10,000 rupees. So this is your check. Congratulations, guys. You know what? Besides this, you also come on board and join in the team Andrew Pick as part of the Andrew Pick Army. Congratulations, gentlemen. Congratulations. We've got goodie bags for all of you. And yeah, आपके लिए. Congratulations, gentlemen. You guys performed really, really well. Congratulations. We can have your moment. You can see the excitement with the team. Congratulations, guys. You performed really well, especially you at the last game of Deadlift 1. तोड़ दिया आपने, तोड़ दिया. Okay, but एक बात मैं कहना चाहूँगा, you know, we're doing this in 15 gyms and across in Mumbai, and coordinate करना, execute करना, getting teams is not an easy task. But when we came to Fitness Factory, we spoke to Irshad, who's the manager right here. He said, absolutely, I would love to have you guys here. Irshad, the manager who performed really well in bench press. Irshad's a small token of appreciation from the entire team of Andrew Pick. Thank you so very much for letting us come here and conduct the event, and you gave a fight. Both the teams performed really very well. धन्यवाद, बहुत शुक्रिया. Thank you very much. And for all of you watching, make sure to show us some love, like, share and subscribe. Let people know about this amazing event, an amazing initiative by Andrew Pick for all personal trainers in and across in India. So thank you very, very much. Congratulations to the teams who won today. And we'll see you all in the next episode. This is me, your host, Gavin Phillips, signing out. Thank you very much and take care, everybody.